आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone. So our question is if fx 2x if x is equal to x less than 0, 0 if x 0 to 1 and 4x if x greater than 1. Now discuss the continuity. Now when we can say fx is continuous? When f of a is equal to f of a minus is equal to f of a plus, then we can say fx is continuous at x is equal to 1. Now we know every polynomial function is continuous except suspect point. Now here is suspect point is what? Now you can see that before 0 function is 2x and after 0 function is 0. That means function is changing his value at x is equal to 0. That means one suspect point is what? X is equal to 0. Now if you talk about the x is equal to 1, now before x is equal to 1 the function is what? 0, and after x is equal to 1 this is what? 4x. That means function is also changes his value at x is equal to 1. That means the suspect point is what? X is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. So basically we need to check at x is equal to 0 or 1 whether fx is continuous or discontinuous. Now if fx is continuous at x is equal to 0 and also at x is equal to 1, then we can say fx is continuous at x belongs to R. And if fx is not continuous at x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1, then we can say the fx is continuous at x belongs to R except 0 and 1. Okay, so basically we need to find f of 0. Okay, so f of 0 is what? For f of 0 the function is what? 0. That means 0. Now for what? f of 0 minus, for f of 0 minus function is what? 2x. That means if you substitute x is equal to 0 this becomes also 0. Okay, that means f of 0 is equal to f of 0 minus, then we can say that our fx is continuous at x is equal to 0. Now if we talk about the x is equal to 1, so for f of 1 function is what? Actually function is 0 as it is. So this is, you can see this is equality sign, so this is what? 0. Now for f of 1 plus function is what? 4x. That means 4 into 1, that is equal to 4. You can see that f of 1 does not equal to f of 1 plus. That means what we can say, that fx is discontinuous at x is equal to 1. Okay, so this is all about the fx. So what we can say finally, that fx is continuous at x belongs to R except what? Except x is equal to 1. Okay, so this is our answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।